Welcome back to SolidWorks in Hindi YouTube channel. So in this video we will make this 3D model in Creo Parametric. So we will first make this sketch in the Creo Parametric. For making the sketch, click on new, click on part and click on OK. Click on extrude and right and click here. Make the normal view. Then make the circle of 22, R22 and 522. Click on circle, make 2 circle, again make 2 circle, give the dimension 22 and 44, give the dimension here 72, here again give the dimension 8 and 20 mm. This is 8 mm, this is 20 mm. Okay, this is ready. The next is make this 2 circle of dia 16 and 32. Click on circle, make 2 circle, the dia is 32 and 16 and the vertical dimension is 72 mm. Here it is shown. The next is create the circle of radius 10 and dia or the dia is 20. The dia is 20. Horizontal and the vertical dimension is 29.19 and the vertical dimension is 34.93. Then we will make this 2 line tangent. Click on this line, click here, click here, click here, click here. Likewise it is ready. Then we will make this arc radius 45. Right click, click on the arc, click here and make the arc. The radius is 45 mm. Click on it. We will drag it to down. Okay, Ctrl Z. Remove this coincident and drag it slightly down. Give the dimension 45 mm. Okay. Again go in the tangent, click here, click here. Here the radius is 45 and this is tangent, this is tangent. Remove this unnecessary material or unnecessary line. Click on delete segment, remove this unnecessary part. Okay. We will make this arc of radius 100. So again right click, click on the arc, click here and give the dimension. Here the radius is 100 mm. So drag it, double click here and give the dimension 100 mm. Okay. Again remove this coincident, go here, go in the tangent, click here, apply 100 mm. Likewise this arc is ready. Now go in the delete segment, remove this unnecessary sketch. Okay, Ctrl Z, go in the delete. Okay, here the constraint is I think no applied. Okay, we will extract it and remove this unnecessary portion. Delete segment, click here, okay, double click here, give the dimension 20 mm, okay, go in the delete segment, click here, so it will be removed automatically. Then we will remove this line, okay, drag it, remove this line, remove this line, okay, and click on OK. Okay, here the section is incomplete, so selection on the no. Here this both are tangent, this is tangent, this is tangent, okay, okay, remove this part also, delete segment, click here, click here. Now it is complete, click on OK. We will extrude it up to 10.5 mm. So extrude up to 10.5 mm, click on enter, click on OK. Then again we will extrude it up to 5 mm. Click on extrude, click here, go in the circle, click here and trace the point. Okay, click on OK, give the dimension 5 mm, click on OK. Likewise it is ready. Again we will extrude it up to 10.5 minus 15.5 is equal to 5. So go in the extrude, click here, circle and make 2 circles. Click on OK, give the dimension 5 mm, click on OK. Likewise this portion is ready. Next we will make these portions. What is the dimension here? 38 minus 10.5 minus 10.5 is equal to 38 minus 21. So go in the extrude, click here, circle, okay, make the normal view, trace this point, click on OK, give the dimension 38 minus 21, click on OK, click on OK. Okay, the next is we have to mirror these portions. For that we will make one plane. For making a plane, click on the plane, select this face, press Ctrl, select this face, click on OK. Likewise the mid datum plane will be created, this green plane. Click on this extrude 1, extrude 2, extrude 3, extrude 4 and press the Ctrl simultaneously. Sorry. Then click on this mirror button, click on this datum plane, click on OK. So likewise it is mirrored. Then we will click here and deselect all the plane and this sketch is ready in front of you. Guys, this portion is ready. As you can see, it is fully completed. So guys, thank you very much. If you like this video, then please do subscribe, share with your friends and like, comment if you have any query. I will resolve it as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.